Welcome. If you want to set up alarm clock in your WIEPPO S5, for the first you have to go for the clock. Right now just go right here on the left upper corner, tap it. Here we got two default alarms, so we can activate one of them. And if you want to adjust, just click, and here we can set up the days. We can also set the repeat, we can change the ringtone, vibration, we can add the label, and of course the most important, we can change the hour. Here is the clock, and we can set up hours and also the minutes. And after that you can check that it's changed. And of course when the switcher is on the red color, it means that this alarm is activated. So that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.